can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, we are going to be doing a full face of She Glam makeup. Yes, and I have a lot of their makeup. I feel like my current makeup is actually about 70% She Glam and the rest is what I usually use from the Western world. But today we're going to be using everything She Glam. I've been using some, plus I got a few more just recently, especially like lippies and so forth, and contour and blush. I think I recently got like 2 contours and blush treatments. So before we start, first we have to do skincare. So I already went ahead and cleansed my skin. I'm using this serum from Trends just to ensure that my skin is like well hydrated, because it is winter and I have dry skin. Like during winter my skin is not combination, it is dry. So I like to just go in with this. I feel like this does an excellent job at really locking in the moisturization into my skin, and you see after my skin is dry it still doesn't look like yes. But anyway, we're gonna be using this one of them, the white one. This one is a She Glam plumping gloss, and then the blue one, no, it is a cold plumping gloss. So one of them is hot and one of them is cold. I like the one that is cold because I love how it feels on my lips. So I'm going to just apply that to my lips to plump for a bit, and yeah, it just feels so good. I really actually love this, like, to be honest. And then we're gonna go in with our primer. This one is supposed to be the Milk Makeup dupe. I actually have a new one just in case these two finish before the time, but I have the green one and the purple one. I love how they both smell and feel on my skin, and they literally work to just really lock in like the hydration, and it also helps to actually seal the makeup. I was just showing you that yeah, it's a gripping primer, as you can tell. But we also have this one. This one is a jelly primer, slimy jelly basically. This one really gives your skin a lot of hydration. I didn't use it today because I wanted to use the gripping primer because I like how that feels. But this one offers your skin basically the same thing, but not without the gripping thing that this one does. And then we're going in with our She Glam foundation. This is in the shade Mahogany, I think. Yes, Mahogany or Mocha. But I'm using this brush. This one is an AliExpress brush. It's called Sewin. The company is called Sewinas or Celine, I don't remember. But as you can tell, this foundation is a little bit neutral, yes, but I know my skin. As soon as I blend it in, you'll see how my skin just comes back. I am a little neutral and warm. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, I'm neutral warm. So I'm going in with this one is Swipe Right. This is going to be my blush for the day, the liquid blush. I'm going to apply that, but guess what, I don't like to apply my products on top of my face like that. I personally don't like doing that. And then I'm going to apply this one. This one has glow and shimmer in it, so it's supposed to help your skin to have that natural glow. So as I said before, I don't like using the applicator on my face. I prefer applying it to the back of my hand and then using my brush now to stipple it in, and that's exactly what we're going to do with the to blush. So this is just going to be the base work, and then after that you'll see me adding even more blush. But this one is the She Glam concealer, and this one I'm using Earth and Nutmeg. So Nutmeg is actually my perfect match, yes. And then Earth, sometimes I would apply Earth if I need a little bit of brightening, like extra brightening. If I'm doing like natural makeup like right now, I would do that. But if I'm doing like a face beat, then I would go in with Earth too. So I'm just using that now, blending that. Then I'm going in with the same brush that we use to apply the blush. I will just stipple that a little bit. I'm going to be going in with this now. This one is the luminous hydrating setting spray, because I need my skin to be hydrated and luminous. So after blending everything, I just went in with that now and allow that to dry down a little bit. Yeah, and I apply a lot, guys. Like when it comes to setting sprays and makeup, I try to apply a lot. Yes. And then after that, I allow everything to dry down, and then I'm going to go in with caramel under my eyes. Yes, I usually use caramel, camel, and mocha. So I like to use camel all over my face, caramel under my eyes, and then mocha towards like the outer part of my face. So that's what we're doing, adding camel under my eyes to set it a little bit, and you don't really have to go in with a lot, guys. Yes, I'm just applying it to the areas of my face where I want to just set so that it doesn't move. And I really like this foundation with the gripping primer. I feel like the gripping primer and this foundation works well together. You can literally apply your primer and apply this only without any liquid foundation, and it will just stay. But I just wanted to apply foundation. After that, now I'm going to take mocha. Mocha is going to be my all over powder. I'm going to apply that mainly to the perimeters of my face, just to give it a little warm vibe. Then I'm going in with this now. This one is Swipe Right. I don't remember the name of the color. I'll attach everything in the description. But I'm going to apply this now, this blush, to on the cheek areas again. So I'm just layering the blushes so that it can give me, or I can achieve what I need, because I need my face to have color. And of lately, because my nose sweats a lot, I don't apply foundation to my nose. Instead, I apply blush, and then I just basically use the powder that I use to bronze with, and I basically flush it across my nose. Yes, basically. So my nose is not going to be like super red as you're seeing now, or not red, but it's not going to have so much color. I'm just applying that first, and then after I'm going to swipe it with my powder, the setting powder. This one is the banana powder. I am going to apply a little bit of this under my eyes. Yes, and then I'm going to go in with my setting spray to just ensure that my face is not powdery. Yes, and just using my brush now to go over everything. I'm going to use this brown. This is actually eyeliner gel, but I feel like it does a good job on my eyebrows. So I'm going to just brush my eyebrows and then use this now to fill it in, because I love the color. It allows my eyes to have that natural look without my brows looking too dark and just unnatural, because this is the look that we're going for, very, very natural like. Yes, so as you can tell, we're just using this now to create or to fill in the little spaces that my brows, you see, it's very natural. And look at my skin, guys, it's super hydrated and so forth. So I'm using the pressed powder that I use over my face, the mocha, and I'm just going to blend it over my lids, because as I said before, I want to look as natural as possible, like fresh skin, glowy skin, as if I'm not wearing makeup. As I said before, luminous setting spray again. I think I applied it like 3 times, and this just sets everything so my face is not powdery, because it's very cold outside. I don't want my face to be super dry. So after that, now I'm just going to apply this lip liner in that color, as you can tell. And I feel like She Glam's, their lip liners are very smooth and they glide across my face really nicely, and I literally don't have any problems with it. Like, I actually like it. Yes, so now that my lips are lined, as you can tell, we just pierce them a little bit so that the colors can flow. Yes, and then we're gonna go in with this now. This is their lip gloss, colored lip gloss, She Glam. Love this, guys. Love this. And this one is supposed to be Sepia Kiss. I think sepia kiss. Yes, sepia kiss. So we're just gonna apply this. The only little thing with this now is the applicator is so big. It is so big, but it works. If you don't want to apply a lot of product to your lips, I feel like this applicator is good. But if you want like extra gloss to your lips, there's this one. This one is the plumping. This one gives your lip a little bit of plump. It is the same color basically, but as you can see, it has that metallic applicator. I love this. You just basically stamp it a little bit or press the bottom and it will just produce the product, and then you can swipe it across. It's very cold. And also this is supposed to also give you a little bit of plumping. It is not super plumping, but it has a little bit of the plumping effect. But my lips were already like very nice and plumpy because of the first lip gloss that we used, which was the actual plumping gloss. But my lips right now feels so cold. Feels like I'm actually eating mint. I'm having mint. Lips are minty and cold and nice. So as you can tell, this is I didn't show this because this is not She Glam. I always try to add some yellow powder. This is a yellow powder that I got from Amazon Japan. It's like, I don't even know what company, but I'm going to attach the link for this if you want to know. But I just added yellow powder because it's not like She Glam. I didn't really want to show it, but I can attach it in the description with all of the products that I use. And yes guys, this is what we do. Yes, what we're gonna do now is to get some glow. I'm gonna apply some glow on my neck so you can see, you know, how to actually do that. I actually have two of these glow sun kiss kind of vibe, like in two colors. I got the one that is my skin complexion. That one is gold, and then there's another one that is called Eros. I don't quite remember the names, but I'll attach everything into the description. So I'm applying the first one that is my complexion, and then this one is Eros. I'm gonna apply this now for the sparkly iridescent kind of vibe. You'll see it when I'm finished, when I'm gonna show you my finished look. But you'll see everything, and I'll change my surrounding so you can actually see everything. But yeah guys, check out the look. You know, evening came. Oh my gosh, this is us. Hey guys, so this is the face. This is the hair. This is the skin.
Two things can't be true, 'cause I get so confident yet confused.